everyone, let's talk about how different materials performs in salt spray testing. A critical test for evaluating corrosion resistance. Salt spray chambers simulate harsh environments like coastal air or road salt to see how materials react to prolonged exposure. Metals in salt spray testing. First, steel. Regular steel corrodes quickly in salt spray testing because it lacks natural protection. Coated steel like galvanized or painted steel performs much better due to the protective layers. Second, aluminium. Aluminium performs a natural oxide layer that resists corrosion, so it holds up well in salt spray tests. However, certain environments with chloride ions can still break down this layer over time. Third, stainless steel. Known for its excellent corrosion resistance, stainless steel performs well due to its chromium content, which forms a protective oxide layer. Cheaper grades like 304 may show some pitting, while higher grades like 316 are highly resistant. Coatings and treatments. First, painted surfaces. Salt spray tests reveal how well the paint adheres and whether it can protect the underlying material. Second, galvanized coatings. Zinc coating on steel act as a sacrificial layer, corroding before the steel does, making it last longer. Third, powder coatings. These provide durable protection but can fail if there are cracks or chips in the coating. Plastics and composite. Non-metal materials like plastics and composites generally perform well in salt spray testing because they don't rust. However, exposure to salt can degrade their surface or reduce mechanical strength over time. Salt spray testing helps us understanding how different materials resist corrosion, guiding manufacturers in selecting the right material for tough environments, whether it's metals, coating, or plastics. This test ensures products are ready for the real world. Visit us at Pacorr.com for top quality chambers designed for maximum efficiency. Thanks for watching. See you next time.